Hey guys, Rex here with MicroAI, and today we're going to be showing you how to make a MicroAI Launchpad account. So MicroAI Launchpad is an enterprise platform for development of end-to-end AI asset management ecosystems. Launchpad provides next generation capabilities in AI program development and deployment, workflow automation, data ingestion, and data visualization. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create the Launchpad account, how to navigate it, and what you're going to find in your Launchpad account when you first create it. So I'm going to go to my screen here, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to type in launchpad.micro.ai, and this will take you to the Launchpad webpage. Now we don't have an account yet, so we're going to go down here to the bottom right, and we're going to click on the link that says click here to sign up. And we're going to click on that. We're going to enter our information here. Enter your email, register as an individual because I'm not an enterprise. We're going to put in our phone number. And then we're going to click on create account. MicroAI is going to send an email to your inbox. Now you may have to check your junk email as well because sometimes it does go there, but that email is going to have a verification link. So I'm going to go to my inbox here. I found this email, please validate your email address, and you're going to click on here where it says validate account. So I click on this, and now it's going to take me to another web page where I can create my password. So I'm going to create my password here. And hit submit. Now my account is activated, it's going to log me in. You're going to see a take the tour from Launchpad, and it's going to give you some information about what's going on here. So first it has a welcome page here. You click on next step. This is where this tab here on the left is where you create a profile for your devices. So any device that you want to run MicroAI's artificial intelligence on, you have to create a profile for it first. Here's where you can register your devices. Now there are some products that we have that do auto registration. So sometimes you don't even have to register a device. Here you can manage your devices, see the table of devices that are registered. You can access your apps. So we have asset performance monitoring where we monitor a device's performance, its normal behavior, what's going on with it. And we also have security and maintenance. So we use cybersecurity. And we're going to have some more videos on both of these products later, and there'll be a link down below where you can see those products. You can go to our playlist on our YouTube page. But accessing your apps is how you can actually see the dashboard where you can monitor your devices. This is our knowledge base where we have frequently asked questions, links to like a documentation page, etc., etc. This is the home page for Launchpad, and from your home page you can also add a profile, add a device, see the walkthrough. If you guys are a company that would like a demo, on the homepage you can request a demo. And you can also request free kits for startup users that we can send to you as well. And then in the final steps, this is where if you are interested in a demo, you can request a demo, you can get started with a free kit, or you can watch some of the YouTube videos that we have on our how-tos and do it yourself and play around with it and see what we have to offer here at MicroAI. Now, the last thing I want to mention is here where you can manage your account. This is where you can see your transaction history, invoice center, you can add a user, you can change your password, you can add a different credit card to your account. But this is basically where you're going to manage everything. And see here, down here, since this is a new account, we have no history in our transaction or invoice. But later on, as you add devices and profiles, you can download these transactions, download these invoices, see your available credit, and be able to monitor everything directly from Launchpad. So that's it, guys. Congratulations, this is how you set up a Launchpad profile, and we look forward to seeing you in our future videos.